1. Yangzhou fried rice. Introduction. Yangzhou fried rice, also known as Yangzhou chow fan, is one of the most iconic and beloved dishes in Chinese cuisine. Originating from the Jiangsu province, this fried rice is famous for its vibrant colors, balanced flavors, and the luxurious use of ingredients like shrimp, ham, and eggs. Unlike simple fried rice, Yangzhou fried rice focuses on perfect harmony. Every grain of rice is distinct, yet the ingredients blend seamlessly to offer a satisfying umami-packed experience. This recipe showcases how to prepare this traditional favorite with authenticity and flair, perfect for impressing your family or guests. Step 1. Prepare the ingredients. Start by cooking 2 cups of long-grain rice the day before and letting it cool completely in the refrigerator overnight. Cold rice is key to achieving the non-sticky separate grains that characterize perfect fried rice. Dice 1/2 cup of cooked ham into small cubes. Peel and devein 1/2 cup of raw shrimp, then cut them into bite-sized pieces. Beat 2 large eggs in a bowl with a pinch of salt. Dice 1/4 cup each of carrots and green peas, and finely chop 2 scallions for garnish. Set all ingredients aside and keep them within arm's reach. Step 2. Cook the shrimp and ham. Heat 1 tablespoon of neutral oil, like canola or peanut oil, in a large wok or non-stick skillet over medium-high heat. Add the shrimp pieces and stir-fry for 2 minutes until they turn pink and are cooked through. Remove the shrimp and set aside. In the same wok, add the diced ham and sauté for another 1 to 2 minutes until slightly crisp and aromatic. Remove and set aside with the shrimp. Step 3. Scramble the eggs. Add a little more oil to the wok if needed. Pour in the beaten eggs and let them sit for 15 seconds before gently stirring. Scramble until just set but still moist, then remove from the wok and set aside. The eggs will finish cooking when everything is mixed later. Step 4. Sauté the vegetables. Add 1 tablespoon of oil to the wok and toss in the diced carrots and peas. Stir-fry for 2 to 3 minutes until they are tender but still have a slight crunch. Season lightly with a pinch of salt. This stage builds the base of freshness and color in the dish. Step 5. Fry the rice. Add another tablespoon of oil if needed, then add the cold, day-old rice. Use a spatula to break up any clumps, spreading the rice out in the wok. Fry the rice over high heat, stirring frequently for 4 to 5 minutes until each grain is heated through and slightly crispy on the edges. This step ensures the rice has that signature wok aroma. Step 5. Combine and season. Return the cooked shrimp, ham, and scrambled eggs to the wok. Mix thoroughly with the rice and vegetables. Add 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of white pepper, and a pinch of sugar. Stir everything together for another 2 to 3 minutes, ensuring the seasoning is well distributed and the ingredients are evenly mixed. Adjust salt or soy sauce to taste. Finish by tossing in the chopped scallions and giving the dish one last stir. Conclusion. Yangzhou fried rice is a celebration of color, texture, and taste in a single wok. With the right balance of proteins, vegetables, and perfectly cooked rice, it's both a comforting meal and a showcase of Chinese culinary finesse. Serve hot, and enjoy this timeless classic with your favorite side dishes or as a complete meal on its own. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, like, share, and stay updated with our latest videos.